Today we will introduce Nilight 24 LED Emergency Strobe Traffic Advisor Light Bar 2-in-1. Let's take a look together now. Open the box, you can see a warranty card. You can contact us to inquire about product issues through the contact information on the warranty card. 1 PC 2-in-1 emergency strobe light. Ten PCs suction cups. 10 PCs adhesives. 4 PCs adjustable brackets. 8 PC screws. Easy installation. Adjust the installation angle and use tools to tighten all screws to fix the black bracket to the light. Rotate and screw the suction cups into the mounting holes.